Hey everyone, welcome to the Go Wild table unboxing. I did sponsor a table at Go Wild. I did this like 2 years ago, and I believe this is the third year I was sponsoring a table. So here's an overview of everything that was there. I do have a couple things that will be in the shop for you guys to purchase as of today, so make sure you check the description for those links for that. Besides the snacks, the first thing I have is the pouch, but inside this pouch there's a few things, so I'm pull them out. So the first thing is I put in some hair ties. These are different per person, by the way, but these are just like two like skinny hair ties that I included for everyone. And then the next thing was the headband, like the towel headband. So also included this one in 3 different colors. I'm not gonna open this one just because it's already like packaged and everything. So when you like wash your face or, you know, put on the face mask, you have a headband to put on, which brings me to the next one. I did give everyone face masks. Everyone's was different. This one's a hyaluronic acid one. Getting into all the other things, there are 2 washies in here. Again, everyone's washies was different. So this one is the Anchors Away washi, and then this one is the Sky washi, and this one has like silver hollow foil. And then we have a bunch of pens. So all the pens were different. Again, I just grabbed a pack. These are just gel pens. I kind of try to give everyone a range of colors, but you guys, you can never have too many pens, and sometimes you just want like fun colors. So we have a whole bunch of pens, and that's what was inside the little polka dot bag, just FYI. I just put them in there. And then we have the last 2 things, a piece of chocolate and then some hand sanitizer, because we always need some hand sanitizer. And then obviously we have the pouch here. So now heading over to more of the fun things. So we have the kit itself. So here is the kit. The Up in the Clouds kit, shop exclusive because I drew this artwork here. But yeah, this one is the 6-page kit, which would be in the shop today. So if you're watching this video, it is in the shop, so you can grab it now. I gave everyone the 6-page deluxe version just because I don't know what people use for planners. I rather have everyone get all the pages that are like standard, I guess. So I just wanted to give everyone some options and choices for everyone's planner as well. So you have all these full boxes with the sky and the hot air balloons plus the flowers. And originally my theme was like moon and stars, and I changed it to the hot air balloons because I was trying to figure out centerpieces. So I included some hot air balloons and just changed it to Up in the Cloud. And then here we have the icons, or the functional icon sheet with your checklists and script stickers and everything here. So that is what that page looks like. We have the check boxes, and the background of those are all different with the watercolors of the colors and stuff. So yeah, those are the checklists. And then we have the functional boxes. So a whole bunch of functionals, again, in the standard essential kit technically, with your half boxes, quarter boxes, and all of your like build-use and habit trackers plus appointment stickers. And then the last 2 pages for the deluxe version are all of your functional like decos, your extra like weekend banner, and a bunch of washies or dividers, boxes, and a bunch of like decorative things if you need them, plus flags and your other sidebar sticker. And then the last page is the washi and date headers sheet. So it also has a couple of the rescheduled and canceled stickers, but these are the washies. So we have the moons, and then we have the hot air balloons over there, like as if they're floating. And then here's a closer look at the date headers. So that's what those look like. They're slightly different between each one, but yeah, that is the deluxe kit that was included in the table. The mini kit is what I gave everyone if I was sitting next to you for table mate gifts. So this kit and everything else, a la carte and everything, is available in the shop. So make sure you go grab yours if you want one. So the next thing I included was actually this cup. This cup is just a regular glass cup, but this one is a cloud cup, which turns a darker blue in cold water. Here's a look at the cup when it's cold. I just kind of put this in the fridge for like a minute or so. So once it gets cold, it gets like a blue tone. It's turning back into like the frosted because it is hot in this office. It's just a fun extra thing that I added. I also included 2 paper clips. So we have like a gold bow here, and then we have a beaded one. And the beads here are a little like iridescent, so they kind of switch tones a bit with the lighting. It's kind of hard to grasp on camera. Those are the 2 paper clips included. All right, and then we have 2 teeny sets that I included as well. So here's the tiny doodle version. This one is kind of like food related. I kind of try to make themes for them, but at the same time, I put like the shop favorite ones. There are samplers of these in the shop, except for these 2. They'll be in the shop sometime in the future. These are actually in the shop as fuller like sheets, and then they're also in the normal size as well. So here's what those look like for that one. Here is the second one with like your happy mail packages, like cleaning stuff, and like bubble baths and cameras. Then we have like a planner or work related sheet. So we have some planners, some laptops, books, washies. And then the last sheet for this one is kind of what I call like the celebration sheet. So we have like mini balloons, bows, candles, and like cupcakes. All of these are in the shop, by the way. This specific 4-pack will be in the shop. And then the foiled samplers one I included were these gold foil stickers. These are the tiny icons, but the second version of them. I do have an original version, but this is like the second version that I was doing. And then we have 2 script ones, it's like the favorite ones, and then we have the second one is this one. This one has like a weekend banner and then more script stickers here. I think I gave this one as a freebie a couple months ago, but I added to it with the second sheet here. Yeah, and then this last sheet for this one are the numbers. I figured I would give everyone some date numbers that you guys can use for any time. That is the tiny foil sheet set, and then here is the teeny sheet shop favorite sampler. So these 2 should be in the shop as sets. I will link those down in the description as well with the other stuff. And then the last thing I included was a sampler of a planner. So we have the hot air balloon. Again, we have a theme going on. Here is the inside of those pages, and it's just like a 3-month sampler pages. And then inside we have a weekly planner. So this is like a basic size. I kind of switched the layout a little bit than the previous one I had, but this one's a little bit different, just a tad. I kind of rearranged the columns so they are a little bit more together, but that was because of when I was like trimming them down, it was just easier to have a little bit more space on the side. That is the last of the stuff. So I do have a couple of cups left. I have to kind of do inventory for those. Please note that shipping for those costs way more than usual, but I do have a couple of those available. But yeah, that is everything I included at my Go Wild table. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.